because we're at South America. We're going to see some animals.
We're going to Shell Factory Nature Park in what's today?
It's Myles and Lou's too. So guys, we're back, and these, we're going to tell you what the food are. These are gator biscuits.
Gator biscuits.
And these are, remember, so these are birdseed.
Birdseed. And
That
it's koi food, anything in the water.
Yeah.
Also turtles can eat it. And then what's the carrots for?
carrots are for,
What were the carrots for?
Farm animals.
Pet farm, man. Oh, like the goats and stuff.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, let's go. What are we feeding? There's some turtles in here. There's Oscars. All right, throw some in, Lou. Let's see them eat. Sorry. The duck likes it, Lou. Throw some to the duck. Oh, they know where the food. Oh, look at that. Look at over there, Myles.
Whoa!
There's two turtles. Go get the gator biscuits. We need the gator biscuits. Look, Lou, look down there. Here's the gator biscuits. Watch, Lou, watch. All right, Myles, here's the aviary. What do you see? Birds.
I see fish, I see ducks.
Fish, ducks.
Oh my god.
Oh, parrots. Look at all the turtles, Myles.
What? Oh,
Tons.
there's a baby.
Where's
I don't look.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
What do you see?
I cannot believe
Oh, there's a peacock, but look, Myles, right here. That's a tortoise. No, snapping turtles live in the he's friendly. You can feed him a carrot, Myles.
Whoa, his tongue. Oh no.
He's got to move his big shell. You need help? There you go.
Whoa! He blew that thing up.
Yeah, he's hungry.
Oh my god. On the bottom, or you go like this?
Yes, you don't want your fingers by it. Okay, take the lid off.
Hey!
Hey, look at what Myles just caught. Lou, get the carrots. He'll-
Look at that peacock. We should have done that.
oh my.
Oh, there we go. Just set it right there.
Here, Myles, like this. You can hold it like this. Watch.
Dad, what's on you? Dad, what's on you? Oh my God!
Hold on, Lou. Those are the lovebirds.
This guy's eating all of mine. He's a
Good job.
Step on you.
What happened? What happened to your cup? The gray bird stole his cup and spilled it all over. Throw it.
Yeah, it is hot. All the back. Because it's uneven and you might fall. Because the brick's not right.
At the top of there. What's up there? At the very top. Come this way. See it? The iguana. There's two. Zebra. There's a caiman and porcupines. Tortoise.
Those like shoot.
Goats. Zebu.
I can.
Starts with the C. Right. Wow, that thing is big. That thing's huge. Baby turtles, how many are there?
1, 2, 3.
Yep, and there's and a big one. Bearded dragon. Jumbo.
Over here.
These are baby bearded dragons, I think. Or different type. It's a turtle. No, pink-bellied side neck.
On their back. Okay?
2 fingers down their back. Whoa, good job following directions. All right, Lou's turn. Daddy's turn. Two fingers down his back, Lou. Good, Lou. And the baby alligators. You can't. The baby alligators don't bite. All right, feet over here. Let's get see the big turtles and the fish.
What's wrong with you?
Those birds are relentless. Look at that big turtle coming in.